If CapCut Desktop is giving you errors, freezing, crashing, or refusing to open properly, this video will walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We're going to clear corrupted cache, adjust compatibility settings, and turn off hardware acceleration if needed. These fixes are simple, safe, and they can solve a lot of common CapCut Desktop problems without affecting your actual project timelines. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, we want to force close CapCut completely. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list for any CapCut processes that are still running. If you see CapCut active in the background, right-click it and choose End Task. This is important because sometimes the app keeps a broken process open, and that can stop it from restarting correctly. Now we're going to clear the corrupted cache files. Press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the field, type %local app data folder. Inside here, look for the CapCut folder and open it. Then find the user data subfolder. Within that folder, you should see a cache folder. Delete only the cache folder. This step clears temporary broken assets and damaged cache files, but it does not wipe out your timeline projects, so this is a safe first fix when CapCut is acting up. After deleting the cache, close out of the folder windows and move on to the next step. Right-click your CapCut Desktop shortcut on the desktop or in your Start menu, then choose Run as Administrator. Running CapCut with admin privileges can help fix permission issues, launch errors, and problems caused by Windows blocking access to certain files or system resources. If CapCut was failing to open before, this small change can make a big difference. If CapCut opens but still freezes, lags, or fails during export, the next fix is to disable hardware acceleration. Launch CapCut and open any project file. Then go to the menu or the settings gear in the top corner of the app. Find the Performance tab. In that section, look for Speed Up Hardware Encoding or Hardware Acceleration, depending on the version you have installed. Uncheck the box or toggle the setting off. Then click Save. Once you've saved the change, do not skip the restart step. Completely restart your computer before opening CapCut again. This helps Windows fully apply the new settings and clears any lingering graphics or background issues that may be causing the app to fail. After the restart, open CapCut and test the same project again. In many cases, that is enough to fix launch problems, random freezing, and export errors. If CapCut is still giving you trouble after these steps, the issue may be related to a deeper system conflict, outdated graphics drivers, or a damaged installation. But in most cases, clearing the cache, running as administrator, and disabling hardware acceleration will solve the most common desktop errors quickly. If this video helped you fix CapCut, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more editing tutorials, app fixes, and simple step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.